guys, thank you so much for your support for my first video. And as many of you have shifted from PUBG Mobile to Call of Duty Mobile, and many have asked me, Macha, what is the best gun for Call of Duty Mobile? So in this video, I have explained each and every assault gun by its statistics, damage, accuracy and range, so that it will be helpful for you choosing the best gun in Call of Duty Mobile. And I have also my special specifications and my favorite gun that I'll show you at the last. So now let's get into the video. The first gun we'll be seeing is about ICR-1. It is one of the most stable gun which has very less recoil, and it has a quite good damage and a good firing rate. It's very good for mid-range fights. You can also use it for far range, but the damage power will be reduced. And as you can see, it is one of the most very less recoil gun in COD Mobile. The next gun we'll be seeing is Type 25. This gun has almost equal damage as ICR-1, but this gun has more vertical recoil and it has higher fire rate than ICR-1. So if you choose this gun, it will be very good for close range battles as it has higher fire rate. The next is M16. M16 is a great semi-automatic rifle and many of you have known as M16A4 in PUBG. This weapon has lower fire rate as it shoots in burst mode, and this weapon works fantastically at medium and long range due to its controlled fire and low recoil. The next gun is AK-47. AK-47 is fully AR gun and it is one of the highest damage gun in Call of Duty Mobile. However, the recoil of the AK-47 is high, which makes it hard to hit an enemy target. A lot of players use AK-47 because of its high power and damage output, and it is best for close range fights. The next gun is AK-117. AK-117 is an assault rifle weapon of Call of Duty Mobile that has very high firing rate and very good accuracy and a good damage. It fits perfectly in close range and mid-range combats. Currently, AK-117 is one of the best weapons to use in the game. The next comes ASM-10. ASM-10 is a gun which has highest damage in Call of Duty and has long range compatibles, and the firing rate is quite decent, but it has the lowest mobility among the other weapons. ASM attachment setup can improve its mobility, controls recoil, but it reduces the accuracy of the gun. The next is M4. M4 is a superior assault rifle with high power and fast firing rate and extreme accuracy with low recoil. A lot of players like to equip M4 to the main loadout because it is easy to use with the help of a foregrip and a stock. You won't be noticing the bouncing recoil when you fire. The next is BK-57. BK-57 is a weapon that has high accuracy, high firing rate and a decent damage. And overall, it's a good weapon to use. The BK-57 attachment setup increases its fire rate mobility but reduces its accuracy and its controls. The next weapon is LK-24. LK-24 is an assault rifle weapon class in Call of Duty Mobile that has high accuracy and good firing rate. and it has a decent range, so it is best to use for close combats and mid-range fights. And overall, it's a good weapon to use. The LK24 attachment setup increases its mobility, range, but decreases its accuracy and its controls. The next gun is Manowar. Manowar is a gun which has equal damage as ASM-10, and Manowar has very good accuracy and high mobility. But Manowar has low magazine capacity where it can carry only 20 bullets at a time. The Manowar attachment setups increases its mobility, controls, and decreases its accuracy. The next weapon is KN-44. KN-44 has a very high damage, fast firing rate, and a good accuracy. The recoil of this gun is horizontal, which is similar to AK-117. KN-44 is considered as the best heavy shot assault rifle in Call of Duty Mobile from close to mid-range combats. The next weapon is HBR-A3. HBR-A3 is a weapon which has high damage, fast firing rate, and a really good accuracy. The gun has low recoil and can shoot long range also. Overall, it's a very good gun to use. And HBR-A3 was the best gun of Call of Duty Mobile Season 4. The next gun is HVK-30. HVK-30 has high damage, extremely fast firing rate, and a tight hip accuracy. Overall, it's a very good gun to use. The HVK-30 attachment setup improves mobility and controls, and it reduces its accuracy. The next weapon is DRH. DRH has very high damage, medium firing rate, and a good accuracy. The gun has low recoil and can fire at any range. Overall, DRH is a good gun to use, and it's recently launched in Call of Duty Mobile Season 8. The DRH attachment setup increases damage, accuracy, and mobility but reduces its controls. As I told you, I'll be showing you my favorite guns. So here are they. My two favorite guns of Call of Duty Mobile are ASM-10 and ICR-1. And I have added some clips with my attachments, how the gun works. So these are for my personal opinion. So if you have any suggestions, please tell it in the comment box.
Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.